Hello everybody, happy Mother's Day. We are playing Mo Mummy. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Let's get some mummy money for mommy. You know what I mean. Something around those lines. We're starting with $100. A few $5 bets to start. Oh, keep going. Okay. What's that? Nothing. We're up $2. Beautiful. Keep going. Okay, so these are all pretty filled up, but we know that doesn't necessarily mean anything. It could mean something. It could mean nothing. Okay, started out promising. 2 line hits, nothing. Let's go to our lucky $3 bets on 2 pennies. We really want that cash collect to pop. Wifey is behind me, and Mo Money is in front of us. Is there any money in front of us? Hello? We need some Mother's Day luck. Some mummy Mother's Day mommy luck. Oh goodness, yes, that one. Please pop. Oh. You know how when something like that just hits and you just like look with wide eyes just hoping that it goes through? And when it doesn't, you're absolutely crushed. There's hope though at every spin. There is hope. Jackpot feature. No. So we're up there. We're at the 1 cent. Do it as I panned up. That'd be great. So the major looks really nice on this. Jackpot, giving us nothing so far. 2 cents. Back to 2 cents. I was gonna change it, but let's stay on the credits. See if that gives us good luck. Stay on the credit side. He just left up there. That means he's coming down here. Not yet. Maybe next spin. Come on, free games. Do a couple, so 3 fast spins, okay, and then 3 more fast spins. Okay. We've had some good luck on Mo Mummy recently, and some bad luck. It all evens out. We'd like it to even out right now. $3. Pop it. We've been very unlucky with the cash collect guy coming down. Let's do it right now. Oh, do it. Nah. We'd like to start on one of those progressives, even the mini. Start on any progressive is fine. Wifey gave me a 20-cent good luck ticket. I hope it works. Is it gonna work? The 20-cent good luck ticket? Maybe. Let's see if it does work. We'd love to see something pop, especially that cash collects. It sucks when you just don't get anything. You don't even get a chance for anything. Come on. Do it. Do it. I can wait. No? He's always running away with our money. Or will he come back? Nope. Okay. Let's try this. We've also been lucky with 225 bets. Did I just will it into existence, people? Oh, come on, just do it. Do it. I was just saying I've been lucky with 225 bets, and then they made wifey laugh at me. Okay. Lucky with no size bet. That's pretty sad. There's another $100. So we need to get our money back to start. Let's just do that. Okay. I think it's a good goal. Okay. You're putting your cool hat on the floor. Okay. The cash collect feature was up there. There it was again. Just keeps bouncing around. Is it gonna come down at any time? What's this? 450. If it hits on 450, we'd be so happy. Oh my god, he's up there again. Just 0 line hits too. Whine it into existence. He keeps showing up, but the gems aren't showing up either. Okay. Just please, rumble, come across the screen. We deserve it, Mr. Mummy. We've been waiting so long. Now let's go to 5 cent. Right, 5 cent. She did? Oh. Were you gonna play that machine? Oh, over there? Maybe 250 is the winning bet. Come on, one of yous. Oh yeah, won that one. And, oh my goodness, it looks like it's about to go off. I mean, obviously because it's maxed out, but. We haven't even had 2 free spins to make us think that it can be coming. Fast spins didn't work. Oh, Mr. Mummy. Oh, we are bringing you the realities of gambling here. Mummy doesn't care if it's Mother's Day, Father's Day, National Slot Day, YouTube Personality Day. Well, Mummy doesn't care one bit. Pretty bad. Pretty bad. Okay, let's go back to here. Okay. I believe Mr. Mummy. Okay, he went off the screen to come here. See? See, there he is. Oh, wait, there he is. No. For the love of Mummy, please pop. We've been betting every single thing, every single denomination possible, right? 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cent, 5 cent, 10 cent. Why? This is so hard. Okay. 3 more spins, and then maybe let's go find something else. I believe on the last spin, right? I believe on the last spin. Oh my god, do it. Three chances for free games. 1 really good cash collect symbol. Any cash collect symbol. And do it on the last spin. Remember I said last spin? I was looking up like I was expecting it to happen, but we know. Okay, that is that, and I don't know what else to do except cry, but that is Mo Mummy in a nutshell. Friends, it is still Mother's Day weekend. Mummy, mommy, mommy, mummy, we are back. We tried $200 down, put in another 100. And is it time? Please tell me the first spin, just drop a nice one. Oh my God, I thought first spin magic was upon us. This is so hard to hit a bonus on this game. It's ridiculous. I mean, when it comes, it's just like, sometimes can be really good. Sometimes can be really sad. There's 2 now, why not? Why not? Why not us? Just do it, just do it. Maybe 1 cent was the play. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. You left? Okay. Why did they give the cash collect symbol on the first thing? Just to give you a false sense of hope. I still have hope. I just, you know what I mean. They know what they're doing. Come on, Aristocrat. Do it, do it. 225. Do it. Let's move around a lot. I think it's too good to be true to get a bonus. $11 there. I'd love to get a triple on this. I've seen it happen. Just does 1 bonus after the other. That would be craziness. Let's do a bunch of fast spins at 75 cents. Back to normal. Did that help change our timing? Maybe not. Maybe yes. Gonna go here. Is touching the screen gonna help? Like what everyone says? Bam, it didn't help, so don't do it. He was right up there again. Oh, how much money you have to put through a machine to get a bonus? Maybe I should write to the Nevada Gaming Commission. He just stumbles up. Dude, Mo Mummy, I believe still. Mommy Mummy. Mommy's Day. Mommy's Day, Mummy. I'm gonna get any Mommy's Day mummy luck. is. There it was. So this is, you know, if you guys are looking to, wait, what the heck? The jackpot was full. Did it already pop? That's so weird. The jackpot I felt like was filled. Did it already pop? This is a mystery, people. I have to rewind the tape, but this jackpot looked like it was filled and I never got the feature, right? I didn't get this feature. I don't know why it got deflated. Is this a mystery, people? Like, what happened? I obviously have it on tape, so I want to rewind it and see that jackpot, like, wasn't it filled too? With I'm pretty sure it was filled. I know the other ones I'm looking at Cash Collect the whole time to make sure it's sparkly and shiny, but that's the one I want to get, so my eyes are on it, but I'm pretty sure the jackpot was also pretty filled. And we'll leave that 5 cents for somebody else. Okay. And speaking of somebody else, if you are someone who likes to watch slots and see how machines do, this game can be very brutal. Very brutal. We play it a lot. We'll try to win a jackpot or even obviously a grand, but like any kind of jackpot, and we just put in $300 betting decent sized bets and nothing happened at all. Like not one bonus. That's pretty bad, but that's the reality of gambling. It's the reality of slots. And we'll go find another machine, try to win our money back on that one. See ya then.